Look what it did to my neck. Look at it. Hyaluronic acid almost ruined my skin. I don't know if you can see this, but it is burned. It looks like alligator skin. Hyaluronic acid is in everything, but the wrong kind of hyaluronic acid. I'm about to teach you the right kind and how to make it yourself at home in seconds for free. I'm Sadie, I'm 54, I'm the founder of Face Hit. My neck used to look like that and now it looks like this, all naturally. No procedures, no surgeries on this neck whatsoever. Just me doing the exact free stuff I'm here to give you in this episode and this series entitled, Get Your Neck Back. I cannot wait for you to make this insane SuperQuench Skin Serum. It takes 30 seconds. It's gonna cut down on your skincare costs and it will make your skin hydrated and finally plump and glowing. And that's because it's got the right kind of hyaluronic acid in it. After I posted my first episode, I got a lot of questions like this because I burned my neck skin by mistakenly using this product, but it could be any product because so many of your skincare products have low molecular weight hyaluronic acid in them. Low molecular weight is not native to your skin. It is a crappy version that gets into your skin and actually can cause inflammation. And inflammation is what makes your skin age faster. If you are in a dry climate or you have dry skin like me, it can actually alligator out your skin. But I've heard from a lot of women with other skin types where it's doing the same thing. Low molecular weight hyaluronic acid is so last week, we're not using it anymore. It's not the kind of hyaluronic acid that your body loves and needs and your skin needs and that helps you build back collagen. I'm gonna teach you how to make the right kind, but I wanna answer this question. How do you know if it's in your beauty product? Well, you gotta read the label way down here at the bottom, hyaluronic acid. I mean, I missed it. If your labels say hyaluronic acid, unless it specifically says high molecular weight, or you can contact the company and ask them and they tell you not dual weight because that also contains that crappy stuff. Make sure that you have high molecular weight or just make it yourself. It's so easy. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So you get a high molecular weight hyaluronic acid powder. You can get the recipe and I have all the information down in the post. You put the amount in to distilled water. I also have it in the recipe and then you shake it like a margarita in Cabo. It's going to be a little bit clumpy at first. You'll stick it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, it will be clear, kind of like slippery water. You can make a gallon of this. You can make as much of it as you want for your whole face, your neck, your skin, your body. The stuff is gold. Store it in the fridge or in the recipe. I also have a way for you to easily add a natural preservative so you can keep it out of the fridge if you want to. To free yourself from the beauty industry and their shitty hyaluronic acid formulations that can make your skin age faster. I'll see you here for the next episode where we're going to talk about what you put over the hyaluronic acid serum to make sure it doesn't evaporate into the air, that your skin is sealed properly, the difference between a hydrator and a moisturizer, and why you need both. I'll see you there for the next installment. Follow for more.